Most people don't notice DevOps when everything is working. They notice it when something breaks. Maybe a website goes down during a major sale. Maybe users start reporting bugs that somehow never showed up during testing. From the outside, it looks like a software problem, but a lot of the time the issue isn't just the code itself. It's everything surrounding the code. How it gets tested, how it gets deployed, how it runs once real people start using it. That's where DevOps comes in. Updates happen constantly, sometimes several times a day. A bug gets fixed in the morning and users see the update that afternoon. A new feature gets released to a small group of customers before rolling out to everyone else. The pace is much faster than it used to be, but moving faster creates a different challenge. Imagine a developer changes a few lines of code. Years ago, that might have triggered a long change of manual tasks. Someone tests it, someone packages it, someone deploys it, and someone monitors it afterward. Now, a lot of that process can happen automatically. The moment new code is submitted, tests start running. If something fails, the system catches it early. That automation is one of the reasons modern software companies can move as quickly as they do, and it explains why DevOps has become such a valuable skill set. You're not just learning how software gets built, you're learning how software gets delivered. There's a big difference. That's also where the IBM Applied DevOps Engineering Professional Certificate comes in. You work through things like version control, containerization, automation, deployment pipelines, cloud native tools, and monitoring. The point isn't to memorize tool names, it's to understand how these pieces connect in a real software delivery process. Because when people first look into DevOps, the number of tools can feel overwhelming. There always seems to be another platform to learn, another service, another framework. That's why structure matters. Instead of jumping between random tutorials, a guided program can help you build the concepts in an order that makes sense. You start seeing how code moves from a developer's machine into testing, then into deployment, then into a live environment where real users are depending on it. Because that's what really DevOps is about, connections. The application connects to infrastructure, testing connects to deployment, monitoring connects back to development. The job often involves understanding how those systems work together rather than focusing on only one piece of the puzzle. And that's part of what keeps it interesting. The work changes because the systems change. And lately, those systems have been changing even faster. AI tools are helping developers write code more quickly, cloud platforms continue to evolve, applications are becoming more distributed and more complex. As that happens, companies need people who understand how to keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. The exact tools might change over time, but the underlying concepts don't. And honestly, that's something a lot of newcomers find reassuring. Experienced professionals usually aren't successful because they memorized every tool. They're successful because they understand how modern software systems operate. Most people build confidence by working through real projects, making mistakes, fixing them, and then gradually understanding why things work the way that they do. The IBM Applied DevOps Engineering Professional Certificate is built around that kind of practical learning. It gives learners a way to practice the workflows, tools, and systems thinking that show up in real DevOps environments instead of only learning definitions from a distance. If you'd like to build those skills in a structured way, check out the IBM Applied DevOps Engineering Professional Certificate linked in the description below.